As spring 2026 unfolds, it brings with it the perfect opportunity to refresh our homes with warmth, texture, and timeless farmhouse charm. Rustic Easter decor is not about perfection, it's about creating a cozy, welcoming space that feels lived in and loved. In today's video, we're exploring 15 cozy farmhouse touches that blend vintage character with soft spring beauty, helping you transform your home into a warm seasonal retreat filled with charm, simplicity, and heart. Start your Easter transformation right next to the front door, in a position that does not cover the entrance door with weathered wood accents that set a rustic tone. Think reclaimed wood benches, distressed console tables, or a vintage wooden crate filled with pastel florals. Add a simple grapevine wreath adorned with faux eucalyptus and speckled eggs for a natural farmhouse look. The key is layering raw textures with soft seasonal details to create an inviting first impression that feels authentic and welcoming. Nothing says farmhouse Easter quite like woven baskets filled with fresh or faux spring flowers. Use antique-style wicker baskets and line them with linen fabric for a soft touch. Fill them with tulips, baby's breath, or lavender for a gentle pop of color. Place them on side tables, kitchen counters, or open shelving to create height and movement. The combination of rustic weaving and delicate blooms captures the cozy essence of countryside living. For your Easter dining setup, choose neutral-toned linen tablecloths and runners in shades of cream, oatmeal, or soft gray. Layer them with burlap accents or frayed edge napkins to enhance that farmhouse aesthetic. Texture plays a huge role in rustic decor, so mixing soft linen with rougher fabrics adds depth and warmth. Keep the color palette subtle to let natural materials and handmade elements shine beautifully. Lighting sets the mood, and for a cozy spring home, distressed wood or metal candle holders are essential. Arrange pillar candles of varying heights on mantels or dining tables for a layered glow. Soft candlelight against rustic finishes creates an intimate and calming atmosphere. Consider warm white LED candles for safety while maintaining that golden flicker that makes farmhouse interiors feel comforting and serene. Mason jars remain a farmhouse staple, and they're perfect for Easter centerpieces. Wrap them with twine or lace and fill them with fresh flowers, dyed eggs, or even fairy lights. Group 3 or 5 jars together on a wooden tray for a balanced arrangement. This simple DIY touch adds charm without overwhelming your space, keeping the decor understated yet thoughtfully curated. Instead of bright, glossy eggs, opt for muted, vintage-inspired finishes. Use chalk paint or natural dyes like tea and onion skins for earthy tones. Display them in wooden bowls, ceramic trays, or cloches for a collected, heirloom feel. The slightly imperfect finish adds authenticity, making your Easter decor feel handcrafted rather than store-bought. Incorporate bunny figurines made of wood, ceramic, or aged metal. Avoid overly colorful or cartoonish designs and instead focus on neutral, textured pieces that blend seamlessly into your decor. Place them on bookshelves, entry tables, or kitchen counters as subtle nods to the season. When styled thoughtfully, these accents enhance the theme without overpowering your rustic aesthetic. Refresh your open shelves by mixing everyday farmhouse items with seasonal accents. Combine stacked vintage plates, old books, and small potted greenery with Easter-themed decor like miniature nests or speckled eggs. Keep spacing intentional and avoid clutter. The goal is to create a layered, curated look that feels natural and effortless, reflecting the calm beauty of rural living. Create a cozy Easter tablescape by layering wooden chargers, simple white plates, and linen napkins tied with twine. Add sprigs of rosemary or small blossoms tucked into each place setting. Use a wooden dough bowl as a centerpiece filled with moss and candles. This combination of organic elements and vintage textures brings warmth and personality to your gathering space. Swap out heavier winter throws for lighter knit blankets and soft pastel pillows. Choose subtle patterns like ticking stripes or faded florals to maintain that vintage farmhouse look. Drape blankets over armchairs and layer cushions on sofas to make your living space feel inviting and seasonally refreshed without a complete overhaul. Greenery instantly breathes life into rustic interiors. Use potted herbs in clay pots, eucalyptus branches in ceramic pitchers, or faux olive stems in tall vases. Keep arrangements loose and organic rather than overly structured. This effortless styling enhances the natural farmhouse atmosphere while celebrating the renewal that Easter represents. Add a charming farmhouse touch with small chalkboard signs featuring handwritten Easter greetings or simple spring quotes. Lean them against walls or place them on shelves for a casual, layered effect. The imperfect handwriting adds character and reinforces that handcrafted, homey vibe that defines rustic decor. One of the best ways to achieve true farmhouse charm is by repurposing vintage pieces. Use old ladders as blanket holders, antique window frames as wall decor, or galvanized buckets as planters. These items tell a story and give your Easter decor depth and authenticity. Mixing old and new keeps your home feeling personal and meaningful. As we wrap up these rustic Easter decor ideas for 2026, remember that the heart of farmhouse style lies in warmth, comfort, and authenticity. You don't need extravagant decorations to create a beautiful spring home. By layering natural textures, soft colors, vintage accents, and thoughtful details, you can craft a cozy atmosphere that feels welcoming and timeless. Let this season inspire you to decorate with intention, celebrate simplicity, and create a home filled with spring warmth and heartfelt charm.